Hey, today I want to talk to you about our back pad. So even though it's labeled back pad, it has so many other uses. So it's intended to go around your waist. Of course, you're going to put that on under your clothes. And one of the beauties of this pad is that the controller is in the front. That allows the back to be flat. So if you need to sit in a chair, if you need to go for a car drive, you have the ability to sit back against something without a bulky portion of it sticking in your back. Not only that, because the pads are flexible and flat, you don't have those LED bubbles sticking out that can get very, very uncomfortable. So, it's a back pad. It's got a generous amount of array of light. However, if you have a cold, put it on your chest. If you have an upset stomach, put it on your stomach. That's when I like to use red and green and get the yellow color. On the chest, most often it's going to be red and infrared. The bottom of your feet, when you're sitting down in your chair, put it on the floor and put your feet on it. Just put the red on. Allow all of that to go up through your body. You'll find that our back pad has so many other uses. You can put it over your shoulder. You can wrap it around your leg. You can do so much with our back pad. So like I said, just because it's called a back pad does not mean for 1 second that that's all you can use it for. So enjoy. Get to using it. The only time they don't work is if they're sitting on the shelf.